This video is about Tadasana. Hi, my name is Jessie, and today we're going to cover the most basic standing yoga posture that there is. And it's very important to have a good foundation because this sets you up for the rest of the standing poses. To begin, we want to make sure that our big toes are pointed forward, and we want to have our weight evenly distributed between the four corners of our feet. So we want to note the arch of the foot. There's a point right here at the inside part of the arch towards the outside edge, and then right where the heel is. And we want to spread our weight evenly. If you are able to, you can bring your feet together and just spread the feet out evenly over the feet. If this is not possible for you, another option is to have your feet under your hips. Try to have them a bit close together. Make sure that both of your big toes are pointed forward, and we want to push the feet into the floor. This will engage the cores. It will activate the legs. From here, we can also just lift the rib cage up, stack the spine up nice and tall, and relax the shoulders, activating the arms, even lengthening through the fingertips. Just stay here for a few moments and breathe. Continuing to push the feet into the floor, keeping the arch lifted, really activating the body, engaging the core. And breathe. Good job. Bring the feet back together. Maybe give it a go here. See if you can for a breath or two. Always working to go a little bit further than we did before. Staying with the breath, keeping those feet active. Keep spreading the feet. Good job. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please feel free to like, subscribe, share. Until next time, may love and light be yours. Namaste.